Introducing GTM Assistant, your ultimate solution for seamless analytics integration and advanced tracking on your Shopify store. Are you looking to simplify the installation and configuration of Google Analytics 4 and Facebook Conversions APIs? Look no further. With GTM Assistant, the process could be easier. Here's how it works. Just log in with your Google account, and GTM Assistant automatically installs Google Analytics 4 on your store. No more manual entry, no complexity. Need to set up Facebook/Metapixel plus Conversion API? Enter your Metapixel ID, hit install, and let GTM Assistant take care of the rest. Want to track essential front-end events like select item, add to cart, view cart, begin checkout, and more? It's as simple as enabling the theme app extension with a click. But GTM Assistant is more than just easy installation. Track up to 7 GA4 e-commerce events effortlessly. From purchases to cart views, GTM Assistant provides detailed insights into user behavior. And we're constantly improving. Our app evolves to keep pace with your needs.